All right, so I'm about to eat my first meal of the day, and I was thinking to myself, why not eat some good old
Spam! But then I really started thinking,
what the actual fuck is spam? Like, I don't remember being in elementary school and learning about any animal named spam.
and then I started reading the can and I saw that there's an ingredients list. Nice, ingredients list for my meat. So for the ingredients, we got pork, water, salt, modified potato starch, sugar, and sodium nitrate. Everything that you want for your meat.
I mean, to be fair, I don't really actually care that much. Because spam is actually fire.
So to whoever created spam in some lab in Area 51, God bless you and thank you very much.